Hey guys, here is an interesting mini type camera that also runs the V380 Pro app. It is small and simple. The adjustable cable makes the viewing angle of the camera very flexible. It has a USB interface for power charging. There are many ways to power the camera: power bank, adapter, or a socket with a USB charging port. Easy to carry and install. As a Wi-Fi camera, basic functions are available, such as alarm functions, motion detection, video and sound recording, messages push, etc. However, due to its small size, it has no infrared functions. The night images cannot be displayed. There's no speaker. The camera cannot make any system sound. But the camera has a built-in microphone, so it can still record sound. Depending on where you install it, the camera can be connected to a Wi-Fi network for remote viewing, or it can also use the access point to establish a short-range viewing. Just like other common cameras of V380, after the camera has established an access point, connect to that signal with your phone, back to the app, and connect to your home Wi-Fi network according to the instructions. And remember to avoid special characters in the Wi-Fi name and password. After all is done, you can control the camera. Network mode can be switched at any time. If the installed location does not have any network, then you can also use the AP mode to establish a short-range connection. Enter the camera ID, no need to enter the password. Set a security password to complete. Now, even you leave the area, the camera will continue to work according to your preset settings. To sum up, this is an interesting camera. The small size makes it easy to carry and not easy to be found. At the same time, it has all the basic functions that a camera should have, such as video recording, sound recording, remote control, and alarm.